no stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option.
We had to be quiet as the kids sleep. Look at the birthday girl. Alright, go ahead, let everybody see you. Look at everybody. Nah. So look, we had to do the intro quiet, because as you see, baby girl, the birthday girl is knocked out. I ain't go not too much on my daughter. She sleep. Birthday princess. But nah, and little man sleep too. So we just pulled up to Urban Air. About to go in here and set up. Well, Briana's gonna go ahead of me. She gonna start. I'm gonna let the kids like finish up their nap. Yeah, man, we about to have a good time. She 4-year-old. 4 years old. She's 4. I can't believe it. She's a 4. She's a 4. That's been me and her thing all day. We started the day. Woke up this morning. She woke up happy, smiling.
Aside from her hair.
Aside from that hair, she had braids in her hair. They was too tight.
This girl made me cut her box braids out.
So she made her cut them out. Hey, and the whole thing is, she the birthday girl, so she gets what she wants. What in the world? Spider just landed on our camera. Damn. But anyways, so we had to cut her braids out, get her right. After we cut her braids out, she threw some clothes on. We asked her what she wanted for breakfast. What was her choice?
Waffle House.
Good old Waffle House. So you know we wasn't mad at that. Went to Waffle House. From Waffle House, we went to Shoe Carnival. Because we wanted to get her these Nike Dunks to go with her outfit. Listen, man, parents, we got to stop doing this. We be wanting our kids to have all these Nikes and Jordans, Off-Whites, and all that, and all they want is some light up shoes. So after we went to Waffle House, we went to the store, got her light up shoes, her Paw Patrol light up shoes. They match her outfit. Cause the girl gonna coordinate. I'm gonna get them whenever we get into the spot. But after that we went home and got dressed, and now we here. So, well, we got home. I had to wash her hair, get her all together, and all that good stuff. Mommy did a nice, you can't really see because my girl is knocked out, got her head back, but mommy did her thing. As you can see, mommy is decked out. You know, she love a theme.
Love a theme, damn. So committed to the themes. Meanwhile,
I'm here. I'm going to be in here jumping around while she's sitting around somewhere trying to look cute.
Please, Nate, you know I'm going to be jumping just as bad as you.
It sounds great.
Check me out in 5 minutes. Skip to minute 7.
As y'all see, I'm here. Still, you know what I mean? You know I'm still gonna put something on, you know what I mean? But I'm more comfortable and ready to jump around because I'm more excited. I'm probably more excited to jump around here than baby girl is. So yeah, man, come with us inside. It's time to get the party going. Let's go. Yeah.
Boog is gonna be so hyped because the room is her favorite color. But we only have 15 minutes to decorate, so we about to get into some things real quick. Let's get it.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Big feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Gabby, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty, damn. All of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing
y'all for coming out for Alani's 4th birthday. We appreciate everybody. Let's give her a hand clap. And on the count of 3, we're going to sing happy birthday to my girl. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Lonnie. Happy birthday to
The angles. You gonna say hey? You gonna talk to your channel, your thread set? No? Okay, bye girl. Stress is in. It's your birthday? How do you feel? Who's your best friend? Wait, you looking the wrong way. What about me? Oh, okay. Not you acting different.
Let me see. Go, girl. You know what? Go right there. Aria's here. Hey, Aria. Tired? Yeah. Go, girl. Yeah, they got the aunties bouncing off the wall. Hey, brother. Ooh, Uncle Kia. Aw. Go crazy. Let me see, girl. Oh.
Okay,
Ooh,
Mom.
baby. Okay. What's up, y'all? We just got home from the party. We just finished opening her gifts.
Oh,
Eli tried to assist to no avail because she is not having it. The girl is Barbied out, okay? I told her she can open a dealership because she actually had one of these cars and then got 3 more. She's ready to do it. Her gifts are the cutest. I told her it's this girl for me.
No, Eli's over
Hey, Paige.
May the birthday cake.
You had the best day ever?
Yes.
Dad is about to... It's the hat to the side.
Yes.
Daddy's about to detox the old toys because she got a bunch of new ones. You in that mode, Dad?
Can you play with her, Mom?
All right, we're about to sign out for the night. Thank y'all for coming with us to Boog's party. You had the best day ever?
Yeah.
Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoy my birthday.
Later.